Good morning children, Saida. Today we are going to start with EVS 2. Chapter number 10, Baji Prabhu and the Memorable Battle of Godkind. Now children, this is part 6 and we are going to start this part with new words. And your first word is disheartened. 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 To lose hope or disappointed. Fearful. 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 Fearful means frightened, scared. Fatally. Fatally. Now fatally means deadly. Unabated. 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 Unabated means force without becoming weaker. Dispatch. Dispatch. Despatch. Dispatch means to send off. Withdraw. 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 Withdraw means to remove. Now children, this is the content outline of part 6. Baji Prabhu the Brave. And we are going to start the recap from part 3. Now what we studied in part 3, can you all recollect? Yes. Baji Prabhu the Brave itself. Now that is different and this is a bit different. The angry troops of Siddhi Johar were galloping very fast towards the Godkind Pass. Now Shivaji had crossed the pass, but Shivaji knew that it was very difficult to go quickly and reach Vishalgarh. Now because after escaping from Panhalgarh, Vishalgarh was the nearest fort and Vishalgarh was a long journey. So he told Baji Prabhu, let us stop here because the road ahead is steep and the enemy is very close. So let us turn back and fight. Baji Prabhu understood the situation and what was in the mind of Shivaji. So he told Shivaji that it is very important that Shivaji moves ahead and reaches Vishalgarh. So he said that I will take care of the Godkind Pass. He said, Maharaj, you take a handful of soldiers and please leave. I will defend the pass. I will protect the pass. If I die, there will be many other Bajis who will take this place. But it is very important that Shivaji must remain alive to establish Swaraj. So this great man decided to send Shivaji to Vishalgarh and save his life. And so Shivaji and Baji Prabhu embraced each other. And Shivaji leaves the pass to move towards Vishalgarh. Now before leaving, Baji Prabhu said, when I hear the gun sound, I will understand that you have reached to Vishalgarh. So till that time, I will fight for Swaraj. So Shivaji said to Baji that as soon as you hear the gunfire, leave the pass and follow us to the fort. In part 4, we studied Baji's defense at the Godkind Pass. Shivaji left for Vishalgarh and left Baji behind to defend the pass and to take care of the pass and stop the enemy. Now we know that Siddhi Johar and his army were coming behind to catch Shivaji. But Baji Prabhu was a brave man. He stood at the entrance of the pass so that he does not allow any soldier of the enemy to come in or cross the pass. He divided all his soldiers into small groups and posted them at different places. Now the Mavlas took position in different places on the pass, and they collected huge boulders, means large rocks, and stones to be used as weapons, and they were all ready at the mouth. Yes, they were all ready to fight with the enemy at the pass, to face the enemy. Now they could hear the enemy coming quickly because they could hear their war cry. Now Baji Prabhu told his troops, do not get scared. Be brave. Be prepared. Now when you go to exam, to give the exam, your mama tells you, be brave. Don't get scared. Okay, you are well prepared. You can give your exam. So even they were well prepared and they were ready to fight. So do not desert your place. Do not leave your place. Do not allow enemy to enter the pass. So they were firm and fearless. They were all ready to fight with the enemy. And on the other hand, Shivaji was speeding to Vishalgarh. The fort was 2 hours away to reach. If Baji would handle this 2 hours, Shivaji would be safe. Now in part 5, we studied the Battle of Godkhind. Now by now, the enemy was very close and they reached to the mouth of the pass. And the battle started from both the sides. The Mavlas were brave and swift in their action. They had hold big rocks and stones and they were throwing it on the enemy. So the enemy was confused what to do, where to go, how to fight. So they withdrew themselves in confusion, and the Maratha war cry Har Har Mahadev echoed through the hills. The Mavlas could keep away the enemy by attacking them, by throwing large rocks on them. Now this was the big encouragement for them. Enemy went behind. So Baji Prabhu told the soldiers, bravo my lads, go ahead, attack and destroy the enemy. So the second batch was also destroyed by the Mavlas. Now on the other side, Vishalgarh was also besieged by the enemy. It was surrounded by the enemy. So Shivaji had to fight with them and he reached there safely. Now in part 6, we will study Baji Prabhu the Brave. Now here, Siddhi Johhar's troops were there under the leadership of Siddhi Masood and Baji Prabhu with his troops. The Mavlas were fighting back with great courage, and Baji Prabhu continued. Though he was wounded, Siddhi Masood organized and dispatched third troops against Baji Prabhu. They surrounded Baji Prabhu, who was fighting with great courage. The troops attacked on Baji from all the sides, but still he did not withdraw the pass and continued fighting. At the same time, now what happened at the same time? Now he urged his Mavlas to attack the enemy. He was again encouraging their soldiers. He was encouraging his soldiers to fight. Again after the attack, the enemy withdrew. But Baji was wounded badly and was just waiting to hear the gunfire from Vishalgarh. Now we will learn in detail Baji Prabhu the Brave. Now in the meantime, the battle at the pass continued without becoming weaker. Yes, the fight was in continuation. Now Siddhi Masood was very angry. Why he was angry? Because 2 batches were defeated. And the third batch of troops against Baji Prabhu and his brave men was in continuation. They surrounded Baji, who fought with great courage. Though wounded and attacked from all the sides with his body covered with blood, Baji would not withdraw from the pass but continued the fight. Now, though he was wounded, he was fighting. Yes, Baji was fighting. Now, at the same time, he urged his Mavlas to attack the enemy. Now, the troops were disappointed by the fearful attack. The enemy again withdrew. Now, whose troops were disappointed? Yes, Siddhi Masood's troops were disappointed with this fearful attack, and the enemy again withdrew. But Baji was deadly wounded. Yes, Baji was deadly wounded. Now, he was hanging on to life just to hear the sound of gunfire from Vishalgarh. He was just waiting for the sound of gunfire from Vishalgarh. Now, he want to hear the gunfire. Now, why? Because Shivaji told him that when I'll reach to Vishalgarh, the sound of gunfire is the proof that I have reached Vishalgarh safely. Now children, we are going to do a quick recap of this part. Siddhi Masood surrounded Baji Prabhu, who fought with great courage. Baji continued to fight. Disheartened by the fearful attack, the enemy again withdrew. Baji was hanging on to life just to hear the sound of gunfire from Vishalgarh. Now children, we will start with our assessment. Fill in the blanks by choosing correct option. First one, Dash organized and dispatched a third batch of troops against Baji Prabhu and his brave men. And the options are Siddhi Masood, Siddhi Johar, Shivaji. Yes, and the correct option is Siddhi Masood. Second one, who was fatally wounded? Shivaji Maharaj, Baji Prabhu, Fazal Khan. Means who was badly wounded. Yes. Very good. And the correct answer is Baji Prabhu. Third one. Dash urged Mavlas to attack the enemy. Afzal Khan, Siddhi Masood, Baji Prabhu. Yes, and the correct option is Baji Prabhu. Thank you.